In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Houzz. Whether you're looking to transform your living space or seeking professional advice for your home renovation, Houzz is a one-stop solution that can simplify your journey. Let's dive in to see how you can make the most of this robust platform. First off, you need to access Houzz. You can either visit their website by navigating your browser to www.houzz.com, or for mobile convenience, download the Houzz app from either the App Store for iOS users or Google Play for those on Android. This will give you the flexibility to explore Houzz's rich features from anywhere. Once you're on the platform, you'll need to create an account. Look for the Join or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. You have the option to create an account using your email, or if you prefer, you can sign up via Google or Facebook, which is a quick and easy process that can save you some time. With your account set up, it's time to explore ideas. The photos section is a treasure trove of inspiration, brimming with home designs to spark your creativity. Browse through a variety of rooms and styles, from modern to farmhouse to minimalist. To keep track of the designs that catch your eye, simply click the heart-shaped Save button. This allows you to create an idea book, essentially a personalized collection of your favorite designs to reference later. Next, if you're ready to bring those ideas to life, head over to the Shop Products section. Here you can browse and purchase everything from furniture to decor and lighting. With handy filters at your disposal, sorting products by price, color, or room type has never been easier. Once you've made your selections, adding items to your cart and checking out securely is a straightforward process. Finding the right professionals for your project is crucial, and Houzz simplifies the search with its Find Professionals section. Here, you can connect with local experts, including architects, interior designers, and contractors. To ensure you find the best fit, take your time to read customer reviews, sift through photos of previous projects, and reach out to professionals directly for more information. Finally, don't miss out on the additional tools Houzz offers. The View in My Room feature is particularly exciting. It uses augmented reality to show you how different furniture pieces would look within your own space. A powerful tool to help you make informed decisions. Moreover, accessing your saved idea books and messages is quite convenient, enabling you to manage your projects with ease. That's it for today's guide on using Houzz. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to transform your home into a space that truly reflects your unique style and needs. Enjoy exploring the innovative world of Houzz, and happy decorating!